How to restore deleted projects in VN Editor. If you accidentally deleted a project, follow these simple steps to recover it. First, open the VN Editor app on your device. On the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the Project Trash option and open it. If your deleted project is still available, you'll see it listed here. Recent versions of VN keep deleted projects in the project trash until they're permanently removed. Now, select the project you want to recover and tap Recover. After a few seconds, the project will be moved back to your main project list. Go back to the home screen and you'll find your restored project ready to edit again. If you don't see your project in the project trash, it has likely been permanently deleted or the trash has already been emptied. In that case, VN Editor doesn't provide a built-in way to recover it unless you previously exported or backed up the project file. That's all you need to do to restore deleted projects in VN Editor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy VN Editor tutorials. Thanks for watching.